This four-door, six-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a front bench seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.